like the like the grandson or granddaughter, yeah. They pretended to be the granddaughter of the old person, and then I heard they received how many millions of yen, yes. So they scammed the old man.
Only 50 years old, high school.
From SoftBank, okay, so you have to pay 10,000 yen for. Okay. Have you? Yes. Have you received this one, Mr. Toshiko? So what kind of?
Telephone company.
So they pretended to be a telephone company, okay. And then from a phone company. Yeah, that's terrible. Yeah. I see. Okay, so thank you, Mr. What about Mr. Masaki? Have you experienced like scam?
Unfortunately, I never.
Fortunately, okay, very good, yes. But have you heard of some of your friends or family